Hi everyone, this is Jasper from PumpMac. In this video, I will introduce SDEC SC4H95P2 pump drive engine. SDEC SC4H95P2 pump drive engine is a 4-cylinder in-line engine. The displacement is 4.3 liter. The overall dimensions of SDEC SC4H95P2 pump drive engine
is about 1099 mm by 716 mm by 1078 mm, and the net weight is about 430 kg.
SDEC SC4H95P2 pump drive engine
comes with BYC In-line AD Type fuel pump
and equipped with turbocharger. The emission standard is China Stage 2. The rated engine prime power range of SDEC SC4H95P2 pump drive engine is 62 kW. The fuel consumption is about 14.8 liter per hour. All of SDEC pump drive engine can run at any speed between idle speed to rated speed. SDEC provides both radiator and heat exchanger cooling system for all pump drive engine to meet different customer requirements for different applications. The standard SDEC SC4H95P2 pump drive engine comes with following accessories: charging alternator, starter motor, air filter, fuel pump, flywheel. Thank you for your time with us. Welcome to contact PumpMac at any time. For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage www.pumpmac.com.